to here for a vlog. Would you believe it? Yeah, a vlog. There's Annie. Say hello, Annie. I'm focusing. Hi. Yeah, run. I dare you. So that's it. Yeah. This is what I'm using, this big thing. It's huge. So yeah, this guy. I don't know what his purpose in life is. It's kind of a wannabe. And we'll go. Good 80s music. Here's Diggy. The Diggy Dog. The Diggy Dog. The Diggy Dog. Come on, Rama. So yeah, it's Ramon. Is it just gonna stay there? I actually returned from Yorba Linda Big Bear and Big Bear. So there's Big Bob. He cracked his neck from when I kneed him in the throat. Yeah. He's dead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And so I'll go show you the trampoline really fast outside. Come on, Ramon. Who's a good dog? So yeah, here's the trampoline. It's fairly large. So yeah, that's that. That's the dog. Ramon. Who's a good Ramon? So yeah, that's just about it. If you guys all enjoy, ow.